millennials! Paano nga ba kumikita sa UITF and mutual funds?
Stay high for the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car.
Hi millennials! Welcome back to my channel. It's your Millennial Filipina. See ya! If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Millennial family, and I am Sia Cardino, 24, from Pampanga, a public school teacher, a part-time ESL tutor, a content creator, and I do finance, travel, education, and tutorial. And if you want to know more about millennial life, please join our Millennial family. For today's content, guys, we will be talking about mutual funds and UITF. What are mutual funds and UITF? Mutual funds and UITFs are both investments that can help your money grow. Both, guys, are pooled money. So when we say pooled money, imagine this is a pool. And then, yung lahat ng mga nag-invest or tinatawag natin investors, yung mga pera nila, ilalagay nila dito sa isang pool na to. That means this is now a pooled money. So this pooled money is entrusted. Ipagkakatiwala natin itong pooled money na to sa isang professional fund manager. Yes, guys, a professional fund manager. So, kumbaga, kung baguhan tayo, we do not worry about that kasi our money is safe because a professional fund manager, siya yung bahala sa pera natin. Siya yung bahala kung saan niya i-invest yung pera natin. How do we earn money from mutual funds and UITF? Earnings from mutual funds and UITF are not guaranteed. Kasi depende ito sa performance ng market. Depende ito sa performance ng economy at iba't ibang mga bagay kung saan na-invest yung pera natin. So, kung mahina yung market, kung mahina yung business, kung walang mga foreigners na nag-i-invest dito sa Pilipinas or maraming nangyari, may crisis, pwedeng hindi tayo kumita sa investment natin. Kaya nga, guys, always remember, investment is a risk. So, kailangan matapang kayo and ready kayong mag-risk to the point na kung nag-invest ka ng 10,000, dapat ini-expect mo na magiging zero yon. So, ganun dapat katapang. Pero ang tanging magagaranty niya sa atin if we invest for a long time. Baka nag-invest ka ngayon, tas nakita mo kinabukasan, bumaba na yung investment mo, nabawasan na siya, ipo-pull out mo na, natakot ka na, ay ayoko na mag-invest, ganun pala yun, ay ayoko na nabawasan ng 1,000, ay ayoko na nabawasan ng 5,000 agad. So, kaya nga guys, yung UITF and mutual funds are for long-term investment. Makikita mo pa lang yung earnings mo or yung investment talaga if you let your money na ma-experience yung up and down ng market, and guaranteed naman yan na over years kapag hinayaan mo siya for a long time, then you can earn money from long-term investment. Again, guys, yung fund manager na sinasabi ko, hindi nyo mag-meet yon, hindi kayo mag-meet up. Hindi ka sa kanya magsa-sign up. So, all transactions are done online. So, magsa-sign up lang kayo and then magkaka-interview, video call, and then i-verify lang nila. And then, pipili ka kung ano yung mutual fund or UITF na gusto mo. And then, magbabayad ka online. And then, lahat talaga ng transactions online. And makikita mo yung performance ng market, ng investment mo, kung nag-go up ba, kung nag-go down siya. So, mamomonitor mo siya through online. What is the advantage in investing in mutual funds and UITF? So, ang pinaka-advantage dito, guys, lalong-lalo na if ngayon nyo lang narinig yung mutual funds or UITF or naguguluhan pa rin kayo sa meaning ng mutual fund or UITF, or nag-worry kayo na hindi nyo alam paano pa ikutin yung pera, don't worry. Kasi hindi naman ikaw yung gagalaw ng pera mo. At ang magmamanage ng pera mo ay ang ating professional fund manager. So, sila ang bahalang mag-i-invest kung saan man nila i-invest yung pera na yon. Sila yung mas knowledgeable about it. Sila yung nakapag-aral about this. So, do not worry. Ang tanging role mo lang is mag-invest, maghintay, be patient, tignan mo and i-check kung nag-grow na ba, nag-go down, nag-i-increase, and if satisfied ka na, pwede mo na siyang ibenta. Paano nga ba kumikita sa UITF and mutual funds? Paano nga ba? So, ang kita sa mutual funds or UITF, guys, ay depende sa NAV-POS or NABs. NAV-POS or NABs, pareho lang yan. So, for example, guys, in-invest mo yung 10,000 pesos mo in UITF. So, 10,000 pesos, and that time na bumili ka, ang halaga ng unit ay 100 pesos each. So, 10,000 divided by 100. So, sa kabuuan, meron kang 1,000 units worth 100. So, hinayaan mo na siya, in-invest mo na, yung fund manager na yung bahala, and then after 3 years, hindi mo siya ginalaw, and then ang price ng unit ay nag-iba, tumaas siya, like 120 pesos na siya. So that is how you earn from UITF and mutual fund. Pag nag-increase yung price ng unit mo. Saan tayo pwedeng mag-invest? So, dalawa yung marirecommend ko na site. So, these are Seed.ph and Cole Financial. So, these sites both offers mutual funds and UITFs. Are these safe? Yes, guys, these are 100% safe. So, mutual funds are regulated by SEC, Security Exchange Commissions, while UITFs are regulated by bank companies and trust companies. So, they are regulated sa mga bangko. Kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, yung mga nag-o-offer ng mga UITF, mostly mga bangko and mga trust companies. So nakita nyo naman, guys, merong mga laws yung mga mutual funds and UITFs na to. So, these investment products are overseen by our government, especially to protect the interest of the investing public. So, wag kayong mag-alala, hindi scam yung mga sinabi ko. They are really legit and we are protected by the government. So, ayun guys, sana natuto kayo sa usapang pera natin today. So, if you have more questions about UITF and mutual funds, I am happy to always answer your questions. Mag-comment lang kayo sa ibaba. So, for more millennial stories, guys, please stay tuned and thank you for always watching. Happy millennial thinking, everyone. Bye!